Please review these important tool components. They will be referred to throughout the video. Prior to dismounting, you must first deflate tire completely. Then break both beads of tire away from the rim. Then finally lubricate tire beads on both sides with a high-quality tire lubricant such as Murphy's Tire Soap. Proper tool insertion point is important. You do not want to insert the tool over the valve stem or directly opposite. 90 degrees off the valve stem is the proper location to insert the TNT-300. Position tool so that roller is located between the bead and rim edge. Make sure area on bead where roller travels is well lubricated. Make sure rim lock is in proper position. Then push tool roller past bead and engage rim lock onto rim edge. Once tool is inserted and rim lock engaged, lift handle and walk to opposite side of the tire wheel assembly. Push handle down until top bead is freed from rim edge. To help prevent rim damage, keep top roller and area on rim where top roller makes contact clean. To remove second bead, you must elevate top bead into the bead catcher. You may need to support the tire as shown. Now that the top bead is on the bead catcher, slowly pull handle down. You will feel the tool roller roll over the bottom bead. Lift handle up and walk to opposite side. Push handle down until second bead is freed from rim edge. To remove tool from rim, disengage rim lock by turning sideways. Carefully lift tool away from rim. When dismounting tires from a vehicle, use the same methods as shown earlier in this video. To place top bead on bead catcher, pull out top bead and push handle to place bead onto bead catcher. Push or pull handle until tool roller clears second bead. You are now ready to dismount the second bead. Pull handle back until second bead clears rim edge. Now that the tire is dismounted, make sure that it does not roll away. Turn the tool head 90 degrees so that you can remove it from the rim. When demounting wide base or super single tires, you will need to follow the same steps as previously shown in this video. The top bead is removed just like on the smaller tires. The tool roller contact point is on the sidewall, reducing stress on the tire bead during removal. Once top bead is removed, the tool is secured to the rim by our unique rim lock feature. This helps prevent the tool from slipping out when returning the tool back to the starting position. The adjustable bead catcher must be adjusted based on the tire size prior to removal of the second bead. When adjusted properly, you'll usually have to help the bead onto the bead catcher. The purpose of elevating the top bead is to position the bottom bead into the drop center of the rim. Once the bottom bead is positioned, pull down on the handle, creating a gap between the bottom of the bead and the rim. With a quick motion up with the tool handle, you will cause the tool roller to roll over the bottom bead, putting the tool into position to remove the bottom bead from the rim. Now that the tool roller has cleared the bottom bead, pull the tool handle to the opposite side of the wheel to dismount the bottom bead from the rim. Once tire has been removed from the wheel, rotate the tool 90 degrees to free the rim lock from the rim. Carefully lift the tool away from the wheel assembly. Proper bead lubrication when mounting a tire is essential. Push tire onto rim and mount tire as shown. To make tire mounting easier, the bead lock tool is applied once the first bead is mounted. The large roller on the bead lock tool puts pressure on the sidewall, preventing the bead from slipping off the rim edge while you're applying the tool. Additional video highlighting the bead lock in action is shown later in this video. The process in mounting large super singles like this X1 tire is the same as shown previously in this video. To mount the second bead, a bead lock tool is highly recommended. When utilizing the bead lock on tires with stiff sidewalls, you may have to pry down on the sidewall to install the bead lock. With the bead lock in position, you will see the large roller move when top bead is being mounted. A unique feature about the large roller on this bead lock is that it pushes down on the sidewall of the tire. When this happens, the bead is pushed into the drop center. Because of this, the force required to mount the tire has been greatly reduced.